Retired teacher shot and succumbed to injuries. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Mary police are investigating the fatal shooting of a retired teacher in Gale St. Mary in the parish on Monday afternoon. He has been identified as Dennis Anthony Edwards, age 69, of Farm Pen District in St. Mary. Edwards was reportedly walking along the Gale Main Road around 1:45 p.m. when he was pounced upon and shot in the head. His attacker then fled the scene. Edwards was rushed to the Gale Clinic where he was pronounced dead by the doctor on duty. Commanding officer of the St. Mary Police Division, Superintendent Bobette Morgan Simpson, said that the police have not yet established a motive for the shooting. She said that the police are actively pursuing leads in the matter. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.